Hi everyone, this is Andrew. Uh, we have this toilet bowl that we really don't use much, and it has a lot of calcium deposit around the rim with the water level. And there is a good solution to clean this the calcium deposit to remove them, and I'd like to share with you guys. We did a couple of our other toilet bowls, and then it worked fantastic. And this is the worst one that we had, and then most disgusting. So, but here it is. Oh, right. Yeah, this is so bad. So I'm going to work on this one and then share the whole thing with you guys. Okay. This is the cleaning stone that we purchased from Amazon. Let's see how it's working. Okay, let me flush.
Much better.
Wow, the most satisfying cleaning I've done. We try to clean this with a CLR or
Most
Clorox,
chemicals.
you name it, all the household cleaning tools, and it didn't work at all. But this one did. So highly recommend it. And then you can find the links in the description below. Okay, bye.